Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see here, I'm using like the desktop version of Filmora. And it will be similar to the web version if you are using the web version or even like the mobile version. So basically, all you would be needing to do first is like to start a project. So here I'm just going to click on a new project, and from here you will find many aspect ratios. So this is for white screens. That means like computer screens or like laptop screens, etc. So whenever you want like to have a content for white screens like computer screens, just use this aspect ratio. Otherwise, if you want like to use some to create some TikTok shorts or some YouTube shorts or whatever, you will be needing like to use the portrait or this aspect ratio so you can create this type of content. So here I'm just going to click on a new project, and basically now it's created the aspect ratio. Now all you will be needing to do is to import content. So you can add any image or any video. So after clicking on add video, you will be able to start controlling the video. So you will be needing like to take it on the timeline. So basically here you can keep the project settings, and basically my this is the timeline. So here you can preview the video. You can click space so you can have playback. You can do G to go backward, L to go forward, and the more you click on L, the more speed will increase. You can start clicking like having a clip. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on this scissor and it will start clipping. And from here you can like do whatever you like. From here you will find other transitions, effects, etc. And all you will be needing to do is just drag and drop, and at the end we'll be needing like to export your project, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.